Millions of sculpting souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but he's young through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. The brothers' lives are different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not at some hotel, living out this life I chose and come to know so well. Thank you for the music and the stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it's came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you get tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you enough. Leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am a living legacy to the leader of the band. At syempre po, yung aking pangalawang kakantayan ay specially dedicated po sa family ng ating namayabang kaibigan. Alright, something from Luther Brothers. When I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would let me hide and then swing my mother and me, and then swing me around when I fall asleep. Carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with them, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love the brother to dance with my father again. Ooh, yeah. When I and my mother would disagree, yeah. To get my way, I would run from her to him and make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later at night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my cheat. Never dreamed that he would be good for me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'll play a song that will never ever end. 'Cause I'd love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I hear all my mama cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. No, no. Ooh, yeah. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you say that the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but in love she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. Ooh, hey, I know you don't do it usually, but in love she's dying to dance with my father. Thank you so much po. And for my last song, lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. All my days, all my life, you are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot leave alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though stay by your guiding light all through my life, all through my days. Don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Thank you so much.